Hey everybody, today we're pouring up some things for the market. Today's Monday, my work day, and we're making massage oil. Okay, so I wanted to bring you in and give you the recipe and see what you thought. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the recipe. We're doing sweet almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, not a lot because that stuff's expensive, olive oil, and we're using we're using Essential Depot's chocolate fragrance, and on the other one we're using Essential Depot's peppermint essential oil, which should give a mild tingle. Meggers, would you bring me a clean spatula? Or two. And so the first thing we're going to do is, let's see if I can turn this thing on right. I hate the scale. Everybody loves it, but I hate it. Okay, it seems happy. And we're going to tear. Alright. Thank you. And I have washed my hands, but we're going to spray with alcohol. I've already sprayed everything else out, and always spray your jars and let them air dry out, and your lids. And so let me move these over out of the way, and we'll get to pour it. Okay, we're using Essential Depot Sweet Almond, and I sprayed my label with alcohol by accident, but this is Essential Depot Sweet Almond, which is one of your most popular oils for massage oil, because you have to concern yourself with feeling greasy afterwards. And on the sweet almond oil, we're using 15.3. I have got the jojoba in my hand. On avocado oil, we are using 8 ounces. So let's pull this down to 8 ounces. You know, it's me. I sprayed my bottles with alcohol, working with them in here, as I'm alcohol and everything. You bleach your dishes in Dawn and bleach water, and yes, Dawn is the best. Dawn ought to pay me for that, but I am Dawn addicted. Am I not, Meggers?
Yeah.
She's back there hard at work getting us some other things together for us. We're making soap today like crazy because the city of Fort Payne has absolutely raided my soap stash. And then people's been ordering online. All right, so back up, that was 8 ounces of avocado, which is also a wonderful massage oil. Tear. Now we're doing sweet almond. Oh, and this is what Essential Depot's avocado oil looks like. Remember, the more you put in your shopping cart, the cheaper your shipping gets. And alright, so that's the sweet almond. We're going to do it now, and we're actually going to do 15.3. 11, almost 12, 13. And now we're getting down to a drizzle. Okay, 15.3 on the dot, Meggers. I can't believe it.
Not with that thing.
No, I know, not with this beast. Okay, olive oil, extra virgin, first press, cold pressed, which Essential Depot does not sell yet. Please send them letters and cards. Tell them how much we want to get our first press, cold press, organic olive oil from them. Oh, maybe this one's opened. How do you open? Oh, it screws. I thought it was a pop-up. Yes, 3 batches. Meggers had a question. All right, on our olive oil, we're going to tare. And on the olive oil, we are doing 7 ounces. Make sure I'm right. Yes.
I still have a bunch left over if you want me to do another one.
Okay, get us another turkey cooker going, Meggers. All right. And then, and I buy that at the vegan health food store. First press, cold press, extra virgin olive oil. All right, and now we are going to add 1 ounce of jojoba. We are adding Essential Depot's jojoba oil. And you know if they sell it, it's the best in the West. They are, well, I tell you, it's just the best all over. Because their tippy is all get out, and that's what I love about them. I had the pleasure of meeting Essential Depot, what you might call the top people in Essential Depot at one of the soaping conventions. I always thought that I was sold, but then I was paid for. That was it. After I literally, you know me, I picked their brains, I poked, I prodded, and by the time I was done, I ain't never gonna buy from nobody else ever. Okay, jojoba oil, we're gonna do 1 ounce because the stuff's darn right expensive. There we go. And then the piece de resistance, chocolate. Okay, so this fragrance is Essential Depot's chocolate fragrance, and it does not bother me in any way. I can go, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Nope, no sneezing, no coughing. And no weak in the knees, no nothing. I tell you, these people, they only sell the best. Okay, so we are going to put in here, in this wonderful thing, which one is it? We're going to do 0.7. Pray for me, guys. Okay. Oh, I did it. I did it. See, I'm always messing up the labels. Dribbling. All right. And so now, Meggers, you want to give it the smell test? Poke yourself right around here. You won't be on the camera. Just this part here. Just your little nose will be on camera.
Smells really good.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how chocolate does it smell?
Yeah, very.
Very. So you think it hits a 10 on chocolate? I mean, if you closed your eyes, could you be...
I smell it, my sinuses are really...
Oh, your sinuses are messed up. We got to get some eucalyptus a hold of her. Okay, so let me do it.
It smells really good.
Oh, that does smell good. It smells like real cocoa.
Like a milk chocolatey.
Yes, like milk chocolate. That's exactly right. Okay, so now let's see if Kimberly can pour this up. I'm supposed to have 4, I think. See, chocolate? Yeah, I'm supposed to have 4. Let's see if she did her good job on her math. These are supposed to be 8-ounce bottles. Pray for me, everybody. Okay. So here we go. Oh, and stir well, guys. Stir well. Oh, I almost overdid that one. I bet I'll have to pour some of that one out. The 8 ounces is supposed to be right up here at the fill line. I mean, at the where it starts to cup over. All right, so now let's see. Oh yes, that's staying very thick. I mean, very slippy. You got some nice slide. Oh yeah. Oh, and the chocolate is fine. The chocolate is fine. All right. So we'll get our lids on here. All right. I don't think I got any oil on the bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and I made my labels. So this is $15.99 for 8 ounces of chocolate, sweet almond, avocado, olive, and jojoba oil. And I put FO, massage oil blend, Cornerstone Market, and my website. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright, so if the labels ain't perfect, that way it tells them it was handmade. There you go. Alright, so now we've got to get our second pot out here and put it on the scale. And the peppermint's gonna be a little tricky. We're gonna play with that and make sure we get it right. Because we got peppermint essential oil, we're gonna have some tangle, but we don't want to get a stain going. So we're gonna work with this. So on our sweet almond oil, we want 15.3. And that works out our percentage. Because we got 0.7, you know, on our essential oil on this one, fragrance on the other one. Okay. Alright. And then, let me pour back, it just flipped over. Let's see what we got now. Oh, 15.25. Just a little drizzle. There we go. Alright. And now on our sweet almond, on our avocado, we're going to do 8 ounces. So we got a tare. On our olive, we have got 7 ounces. Remember now, cards and letters, emails, assault them. We must have organic, first press, cold press, extra virgin olive oil from Essential Depot. It's not right that we're having to run around looking for it all over town. Well, we could just push that little add to cart button. Alright, and jojoba, tare. Jojoba is 1 ounce. Because it's downright expensive, I know it's good stuff. Okay, so now we have all that in there. We have our 4 oils. And so now we're going to look at our peppermint. And And on the peppermint, I'm going to actually pour it up separate. Because I want to absolutely make sure I don't get too much, number one. And peppermint is, you know, tingly. And so now 0.7 is 2%, but 2% may be too much. I've had issues with peppermint. So I'm gonna go with 0.2 first. This scale's crazy. All right, so this is 0.2. La, 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 la. Okay, so, Meggers, will you do the peppermint test? She says, I'm busy, Kim, leave me alone. It'll open up your sinuses. I don't smell strong enough to me.
Smells like Christmas.
It does, but it don't smell strong enough. Okay, let's give it the tangle test. The tangle test is by putting it on fragile skin. All right, so here it goes. A light tangle. Very light. Definitely not enough. All right, so let's get us 0.2 more percent. So that'd be 0.4 total. Let's tare. That has a better smell. No issue there. So we did 0.4. We're still all right. Oh, I'm getting a light sensation now. So, tare. So that's 0.4. So now we've went with the whole 2% in here of peppermint. Oh, now it smells good. Oh, heavens. I'm doing my eyes. Light sensation, no sting. Absolutely perfect. All right, so 2% was okay. So let's get our bottles out. We know we've done our math good from last time, so we should be good with this peppermint. Oh, funnel, 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 funnel. Oh, that really feels good on my skin. Meggers, you want to try some?
Pardon me?
Do you want to try some? Let me have, oh, right here.
Is that all covered up?
I know, she's got stuff on her. Now, tell me, did we get any tangle and how does it smell?
It smells really good.
Oh, it
No
smells.
tangle.
No tangle?
But not
Like a cooling sensation?
It would feel really good on someone's feet.
Yeah, but do you have like a light, I'm getting it here on my face because face is more gentle skin, but I just wondered how it would be on that, on my hands.
A little warming, but not
A little warming.
not ever.
Under my eyes and around on my face, I feel a light cooling sensation.
Yeah, it's like a cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a warming, cool.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, I've put it on the spot enough.
I would
Go.
love that for my feet.
There you. So this would be good foot rub.
Yes.
And I'm gonna have to spray these because I got oil all over my hands. And I swear I washed and bleached this towel, but I used so much activated charcoal that all of our towels just turned black. All right. Massage oil peppermint. Ta-da! Cards and letters, guys. First press, cold press, extra virgin olive oil. And gallon jugs. That's how we want it. That's how we want it now. That's how we want it. Boom, boom, or something. I don't know. I don't listen. I just hear little bits of that sometimes. Philip plays it. All right. So there you go. There's our peppermint and our chocolate ready to hit the shelves at the Cornerstone Market. Close up, guys. Close up. There she is. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching my commercials. Thanks for using my Essential Depot link when you buy products. And thanks for buying soap from me. And all the links to my websites are at the beginning and the end of this video.